Hi, my name is Kaushik Gopalan and I'm a faculty at the Department of Computing and Data Sciences at Flame University. Before joining Flame, I was a scientist at ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization. This summer, I'm teaching an introductory course on data science using Python. We'll assume that you have some preliminary knowledge of Python. In this course, the first thing we'll do is we'll focus on packages that will help you work with data. So packages such as NumPy, Matplotlib, and Pandas most importantly. The other thing that we will do is we'll work on extremely hands-on exercises that will help you solve regression problems and classification problems, which are major kinds of problems in data science in this course. By the end of the course, students will easily be able to visualize data using Python. Further, they will be able to solve two important types of data science problems. The first problem is regression, which is basically deriving relationships between different variables. And the second type of problem is classification, which is assigning data to appropriate classes.